Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Abhinav, and in this video today we'll see about an very interesting and important thing going on. So the strategy for NEET 2022 exam. We'll see how can we strategize for our exam using the app Maro. Okay, I think most of you have already got a subscription of Maro, but many of you will not have a specific strategy or a timetable. So what we'll do in this video is that we'll strategize for our upcoming NEET 2022 exam, and what we'll do is we'll try to see how maximally we can use this app Maro, and how can we get the most out of it. Okay, so let's enter into the topic. So this is just an uh, offer given by Maro. So I think most of you would have purchased already. If you haven't purchased, so there's an offer currently going on for the Maro plan. This is for foreign medical graduates. So if you're interested in buying this offer, so you can just comment interested, or you can just message us in uh, Instagram as well. The link for Instagram account is also attached below. So let's enter into the topic. So for our preparation, for our strategy, the outline, the general principles, what we should follow is what I have mentioned initially. So the number of available days that we have is 120 days. So in this 120 days, we'll have to cover 19 subjects. I know that some of the subjects are very vast and some of the subjects are small. So we'll categorize and we'll divide each number of days for each subjects. So what are the materials that we are going to use is the Maro revision classes, not the regular Maro classes. This is the revision classes, and we'll also use the Maro question banks. Okay, so average in a day you should be studying for 10 to 12 hours, and if you want to stretch even more, you're most welcome. And what will be our goal is that we'll have to get a favorite branch in our favorite college. Okay, so to achieve this, we'll have to work harder, and in this video I'll also tell you how we can work smarter also as well. Okay, so first in the arsenal, so what do we have with us? So we have the revision videos and question banks. If you see for anatomy, we have 8 revision videos and there are 63 question banks. So these 8 videos probably would run around like 5 to 6 hours or maximum 8 hours. And for physiology, we have just 6 videos, biochemistry 10 videos, pharma 6, and so on. So this is what we have, and we are going to strategize using these things. First, our 120 days, I've divided it into 3 phases. The first phase will be foundation phase, where we'll be laying a strong foundation. We'll be concentrating more on the revision classes and less on the Q banks. And in phase 2, that's the offensive phase. So we'll be concentrating more on the question banks, and for referring, we'll go to the videos. And phase 3 is reinforcing phase. So we'll reinforce whatever we have learned, everything, and finally we'll get prepared for the exam. So let's see the first phase. So in phase 1, this is the foundation phase. This is for 70 days actually. So this 70 days I have divided separate number of days for each subjects. You see, first in anatomy, I have given it for 3 days. In this 3 days, what you will have to do is you will have to complete all the videos, the revision classes, and you will also try to complete all the Q banks. To solve each Q bank, it will be around somewhere around 30 to 45 minutes depending on the length of each Q bank. So you will try to solve as much as possible, and side by side you will also see the videos, revision videos, and you will also revise the revision videos. So for anatomy, 3 days is enough, and physiology, biochemistry also 3 days each. For pharmacology, if you see, I've given 4 days because this also has integration with other subjects as well. So in micro, we'll have for 3 days. Now the star marks represents grand test. So what I suggest you to do is for every 15 days, you will have to give at least one grand test. So if you see in the first 15 days, you are giving one grand test. So during the preparation of micro, you will be giving your first grand test. And then for pathology, also four days. And PSM, this has a higher weightage in your question paper. So we'll allot for 6 days. So we'll have to complete all the videos and Q banks also. For forensic medicine, 2 days. For ophtha and ENT, 4 days each. So during the ophthalmology, you will give your second grand test. For anesthesiology, dermatology, psychiatry, radio, all 2 days each. And medicine, I've allotted the most number of days because this covers most number of videos and question banks also. So try to complete as much as possible, and we'll also give a third grand test here. And then we'll do surgery. Surgery is quite simple and easy in Marrow to complete. So we'll also do ortho, and during this we'll do our fourth grand test. Then pedia 4 days, and obstetrics and gynecology for 6 days. So this is our phase one, the foundation phase. For the first 70 days, this is what we are going to do. We are going to spend as much time as possible, and we are going to lay a strong foundation for this exam. So we'll be concentrating more on the revision videos and question banks as well. We'll also given 4 grand tests during this 70 days. So you are almost ready for the next phase. So in the phase 2 will be the offensive phase. What you are going to do now is you're going to mainly focus on the question banks. So you are going to solve as much as possible. So whenever you get some doubt while solving the question banks, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go back to the revision videos or even to the main videos, study the concept, study the topic again, and get stronger in that part also. Okay, so if you see for anatomy, I've given 1.5 days. So in 1.5 days, we'll have to complete the Q bank again, and you'll also have time to go back to the videos and see. This may sound a bit difficult in 1.5 days to complete the 63 question banks and so on, but if you stretch yourself a little bit, you can do it. And also try to avoid unnecessary informations. I know there are lots and lots of information available, but limit yourself because the brain has a limited capacity, and in this 120 days, store the most very important topics which is expected to be coming in the exams. Don't try to go into unnecessary topics. So for physiology also 1.5 days, biochemistry 1.5 days. In pharmacology 1.5 days. Now this is where we give our fifth grand test. Okay. So micro and patho 1.5 days. For PSM we'll have 3 days. For forensic medicine half a day, and ophtha ENT 1.5 days each. For anesthesia, dermatology, psychiatry half day each. For radiology, we'll also do 1 day because we'll also be doing our sixth grand test here. And for medicine, 4 days. For surgery, 3 days. Orthopedia, 1 day each, and OB-GYN 3 days, which will be doing our seventh grand test. So in the first phase and in the second phase, we have completed the revision videos. We have laid a strong foundation. We have completed the Q bank, and we have also completed 7 grand tests. So this is by 100 days. If you see yourself, if you're daily studying for 10 to 12 hours, then you're almost ready for writing the exam. You're almost good to secure a very great rank. Okay, so just divide the days into 70 and then now 30 days. Okay, so then we'll go to the third phase. This is the reinforcing phase. So whatever we have studied till now in the 100 days, we'll revise it back in the last 20 days. So we'll have to revise multiple subjects in a day. So we'll be revising anesthesiology, we'll be revising pathology. So make it like a habit of revising it in a mixed bag, so that because the questions in your exam is also going to come that way. So mix it up and revise. So whichever area you feel you are weak, and you can also go back and revise there also. Solve at least 200 MCQs per day. So that is 200 MCQs into 20 days. That's almost 4,000 MCQs. and we'll also do a mock exam every third day. Now, previously we were doing a mock exam every 15th day. Now we are giving mock exams every third day. So it is important to give mock exams, but it is more important to see the which questions you have done mistakes and to correct yourself. That is very, very important. So these are the main three phases which will be using for our preparation. So 70 days, then 30 days and 20 days. So to end this video, what I would suggest you do is to strictly adhere to the schedule. Once you have made the schedule, you will strictly have to follow it, okay? Because that is what is going to give you good results in future. So believe in yourself and in your plan. This this is what I have made, and this is what I suggest you. But if you think you have a different plan, then you can follow that also. But the important thing is that you should stick to that plan and believe in yourself. Okay. So avoid unnecessary distractions. Uh, don't waste time unnecessarily. So you have to study 10 to 12 hours in a day. So the to end this video, what I will say is if you follow all this, you're definitely going to get your dream branch in your dream college. Remember always that efforts beat talents. So whatever effort you're going to put now is going to reflect in the NEET 2020 exam results. So that's all for today. So if you like this plan, just give a thumbs up so that we'll follow this plan together. And if you also haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.